Welcome back. I'm Greg from our Oklahoma home. Today we're going to talk just for a second about pocket holes. When we were building our shed, we framed out these doors almost completely with pocket holes. And you see we have on both sides the framing, and each piece of wood is connected together with pocket holes on the back side of each of the pieces of lumber. It makes it really easy to attach. It keeps them tight together and hides the hardware so that you can create pretty beautiful pieces without a whole lot of touch-up work. The easiest way to create pocket holes is using jigs like this. This is a Kreg jig where you can adjust the width of the board. You've got clamps that hold everything together and even its own bit that will drill the holes for you. If you don't have a Kreg jig, you can still make the holes on your own. It just takes a little bit of practice to get the right depth and the right angle. So this is the Kreg jig. So Darcy's just going to show you how easy this is, but this wood just clamps right into it, and then it's got a special bit that comes with the jig itself, and then you just turn it on and let it run all the way down and pull it back out. I went ahead and just laid out all of my screws into those pocket holes. Now I'm just going to go behind and insert them all in. And all I'm using is an interior-exterior construction screw for all of these. This is the back side. And the reason you know it's the back side is I've got all my pocket holes all through this on the whole thing. Okay, if you want to make pocket holes but you don't have a Kreg jig, you can always just use your regular drill bit. Just drill down a little bit and then you're just going to go at an angle. And it does the same thing. That was helpful to you. In my opinion, if you're going to make a lot of pocket holes, it is worth the expense to go buy a Kreg jig. They can be a little spendy, but they're worth it if you're going to make a lot because it makes them perfect every time. If you're just going to do a couple, it's worth your time to practice a little bit, practice getting the right angles, the right depth. I did run into problems the first time I did this, getting the screws to stick because I wasn't getting the right depth and the right angle to really grab those boards. So hopefully this is helpful to you. As always, would love it if you would subscribe and share the videos that you enjoy with people that you think can benefit from them as well. But from our Oklahoma home, we thank you for watching our video.